look at me now. Father God, don't make them fight me so hard. I look at things say me no coward. I look at things me trust in a God. They want me living out the mark like dog. No let the ugly walk at the Obia walk at them get no reward. No make the Obia walk at them get no reward. No make the Obia walk at them get no reward. Yeah. One of them know that shoe and call it dopey. Valda data. But I struggle and come out clean. And God me say, God happy make this possible. Me not ask Christ. Cause him know if him help the mad woman, him happy get him glory. The mad woman I go give him glory. So God always a come true for the mad woman. God, Jesus, you love me too much, oh. Too much, oh. Excess of my Jesus, you love me too much, oh. Too much, oh. I don't know why God love me, the mad woman. Sometimes I look for the blessing, I say, God, you good, you know. I say, where dear, between me and Hono, my girl. I stand up in a Western Union. And when me look, when me wake up out, the big pretty bed, the nice bathroom, the nice veranda, and the nice clean kitchen, me sing out, Jesus, you love me too. Everybody turn on and look at me, leave me mad. Oh man, come up to me and say, Anna sing that song here. Where's the song name? Oh God is so awesome. My God is awesome. Heal me when I'm broken. No worry yourself. All who don't know, remember the mad woman, I tell you now. One time I couldn't find food. So if you see me eat oxtail now, no grudge me. And don't talk about me oxtail. Because some Sunday me and Joseph lie down in a bed. No, me awake at 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock come out to see who me can beg for hustle. Also one bull or something. So now when you see me eat oxtail and fish, love me. God will bring me from a mighty long way, Lord. Mighty long way. Look where you brought me from. Mighty long way. Get your ass out. That's God's job. Look out for the mad woman. Mighty long way, my Lord. Mighty long way. Look where you brought me from, Jesus. Mighty long way. God, I forget him glory to my life. I will be in a Bellevue till I worship God. They must say, hear her. I say, God, if me not come out of Bellevue, still God. I may big you up now. Right, not even 2 o'clock. Me hear one girl come and say, Solaine, this is Solaine. You used to work with me and my kids. I say, listen, then give me this charge. I mean, I have nowhere to go. She said, well, no worry yourself. She go and sign up the paper and say, she coming with me. Who could it be but Jesus? But Jesus bigger than what people say. Holy Ghost, you're bigger than what people say. I hear them talking and I hear them running up their mouth. But you're bigger than what people say. Oh, God, you're good. Oh, God, you're good. Oh, God, you're good. Oh, God, you're good. I want me press so. Me right it. Joseph, call you want me press. Oh, God, you're good. Oh, God, you're good. Oh, God, you're good. But Jesus bigger than what people say. Holy Ghost, you're bigger than what people say. Oh, I hear them talking. And I hear them running out their mouth. But you're bigger than what people say. Oh, God, you're good. Oh, God, you're good. To God be the glory. Great things He has done. One of them know that way. Some people write you off in the same way when they write off, I'm going to pray them through. Don't write off your mad family. Your family might be in Bellevue or walk on street. Help them where they can. If you them a drink, love them. I know you are saved, nobody a God. That's why when me I drink and I smoke and nobody I get the glory of God. Make God do him job. God said, if he will draw all men unto thee, not you. So you're no God. You're God policeman. Everything will get a word. I'll not get no word for the dirty life. Everything will get a word. And God said this and God said that. And God not talk about you and you live a back road. At night time. Oh, God not give no word for your family. Your family are prostitute and lesbian and God not give no word for them. And me this send cool goody girl. Where God a shining light upon me. And me will not give word. Go give yourself. God no want to help. God no want to help. You got police. You got policeman. Everything gonna get a word. And I think God is saying, and I'm telling you, if you don't repent, love me. Love me, you know, from me I come from with God. From me in my mother womb. Valati grew me up in a church. Pentecostal church. So you can't tell me nothing more for me, Jesus. Just back up and leave me alone. If you don't have good for say, shut your thinking mouth. Oh, God, you're good. Oh, God, you're good. Oh, God, you're good. Me have to tell up in my house and give God glory. You know I'm not to talk about. When me did in my one room, me give God glory same way. No, me in my big room at that time, me bust out in a Jesus. That people don't see a drink and a smoke in them battery, them better enough for in a church. Because church people keep it on. Yo, me down. Yeah, baby. Yes, and for them in them big brothers and them long dress. They are corrupt and them are dirty. God, them are dirty. Me have to, boy, me worship him sweet. I got to get the glory to my life. Not a man. Anybody may have to big up at Jesus. Enough night and day. Hunger put happened. I mean, I see my people nice already now. I say, God, you can't touch somebody hard, forgive me. One day you give me. One look at this. I'm share it with me and my son. God, you're good, you know. Boy, I don't know what to do with you, know, Jesus. You're big till you're bigger. God, you're good, you know. For see me, I cook me one oxtail, 3 pound oxtail. Oh, God. Sometimes I feel like the roll all sweet in you. Sometimes I feel roll and go. Me not tell you like that. God, you're big, you know. Mr. Tell me that you that last week. I'm when I'm God, Jesus, you wear this man, you're big. You're big. Everybody go on. They tell some go and worship me queen. We money. Yeah, forget God glory, no matter where you're there. Oh God to you. We saw my people get that. I was sitting there at our church and church now open. What do you have for that now? Anyway you're there, you must learn to worship God. Because God is independent in that way. Sometimes on the bus or the taxi and I sing out. Because I don't know nobody else, you know. Remember me man, you know. Me don't know no man, no father, no brother, no sister, no niece, no nephew. The only somebody me have to big up at Jesus. God, me see sometimes at night time when I'm hungry, I'm going to one bull and they look at Pepsi and pour water and 3 months and dilute and like Pepsi, like soda. I'm say, drinking Joseph. One day, Joseph, we're going to look at this and say, this year will pass. This time will pass, my boy. Eat your bulla. Sunday, nobody cook a stamp, nobody. Nobody say she want food. And then you have me bulla. And Monday morning, I go for fasting. Just come off from school and say, God, some mango job that my mother can't have something to eat. When me come out, I pick up about those mango and yam them and drink water and go back in and I said, God, you're good, you know. Me said, no, God, me I wait till 12 o'clock. Me broke the fast. Me know you provide the mango, but me I wait till 12 o'clock. I got to eat. Me don't know where I got to eat. You know, no money. But I go down on my friend. Me, Lord, keep me big up yourself. You always be there for me. Come here, we have to shop at pray and big up yourself. You're a good girl. Sometimes I go down there and she said to me, say, Me have them have to wash out. Sometimes, you know, say Joseph that school I not eat. She said, oh, you know, me said that me not give no lunch from man, me not go eat no neither. She said, hey, me said me driver. She said, I driver. Go drop off money. Me call him back at the office and tell him, say, what car the driver drive. Keep me big up yourself. Me not remember, me not affect where me a come from. Because remember them girl, they dead for me. Them dead, them have me back. When me hungry, she say me a cook, you know. Come back for food. Sometimes I 2 plates, one for me, one for Joseph. I remember those days when I was born. When mama gonna build, no. Yeah, I remember those days. You understand? You have to remember where I come from. It's not going nowhere. Joseph hungry. No underpants. Sometimes I say, Joseph, nobody worry about that one day. He said, Mommy, then you know, she said, we don't have no soap. Me wash it. Sometimes thief grab a soap and wash it out. I hang it out with the answer man and say, you go clean. Sometimes I say, me now brush my teeth, Joseph. You use the toothpaste brush your teeth and go to school. Joseph said, Mommy, me say, my teeth from job water, I jump here. You go and go be me, all right. We will just wash up my head because sitting and me cool. Don't try for this. We can never look at Jabawa. Or don't come out of my face, man. Drop dead. Cause God a work. Anything me want, me take up my phone. God must send somebody. Cause me wake up and just don't pray and talk to. I saw the thing said. God a God. In a room, me and the rat them live. One morning, one night, me wake up, me say, Ratted. Joseph, me and I bleed. Cause when you have the food, the look chicken back, big chicken back, me go trust. You understand? And when you have me have to do my wash on. When me look, me say, Joseph, the mosquito bite me up. I pay blood. A rat, me see the big rat. Me say, Wull, Joseph, woman under the curtain. And Joseph hold him and strong put to see the big rat like puss. Me say, you is a demon. Are you in your time me down? Come out. I give you some liquor, I'll do it dead. So, no know where I come from. Make them here. What you to carry wood for my head? Carry water for my head? Go to school barefoot? So if you see me not 10 shoes, I want to train them 20 times and train clothes. Allow me. Because I don't know where God take me from. Mighty long way, barefoot, go to school. $20 for lunch. Mighty long way. God good enough. Me not talk about you. We can't talk about you. Sometimes I say, God, you good enough, you have a husband. God says, sure. Tap it up Solaine, man. Tap it up, man. We say, you have a husband, you know, God. Can you do something that husband? Husband, God left me. Remember me 20 years, now I come down, me blind, me can't say somebody me ratted, boy, come off on my phone and call me. Husband, remember me. And now we see me I step up in a life where I can name God sacrifice. No! Me now make no uncircumcised Philistine, your mom sacrifice. So where me I drink there? One Pepsi. Go down to the shop and tell you some church. Somebody say, one Pepsi for Solaine. One big one. You can't tell me nothing about God. You can't tell nobody preach to me. Me preach to myself and God will tell me. Me and God no in a malice. I want to with me and God no in a malice. Anything God have to tell me, he will tell me. Because me and him have a good relationship. Me and God have a good relationship. Me know Mr. Joseph in a room with girl. Why? One more time, them. Joseph will come through. To God be the glory. Me tell you all in there, all sometimes no. Me turn me head now. At the corner. And Joseph said, Mommy, you alright? I said, Joseph, just pray and bless the and the little juice. I eat it. One day we're going to say, we are eating oxtail. Joseph said, I'm going to talk the things like you know about the green. He said, don't worry yourself, I make sure bakes. Because I'm going to provide oxtail and pork and mutton and lobster and shrimps. I'm saying, go hard about Ganyam. Because, where place them? Port Royal, Ganyam big fish with big people. You know, say God good. God, you're good now. You know how you are good to me. I'm not deserve it. I'm saying God, you deserve your glory. And you just shine down for me, son. Do it, make up yourself. myself. Me I come up my life now. God sweet so till. Me have to go pray. I pray me go pray though. Me can't contain myself. I go pray and give God thanks. When me look for my passage. When me look for my son room. Joseph go save the land, yeah? God are gone.